Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video, we will write a program that will find the sum or addition of three given numbers in TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I have here several comments. So I declare three variables, namely variable A, which has a value of 20, variable B, which has a value of 5, and variable C, which has a value of 10. So after that, I declare another variable, sum, that will act as an assignment statement that will hold the sum of three numbers that are being stored in variable A, B, and C. So we have here open and close parentheses, A plus B plus C, our expression. So basically 20 plus 5, we have 25, plus 10, we have 35. So the value here is already 35 in our assignment statement sum. Console log, new line, we have here the title, addition of three numbers in TypeScript. And then we have to display the result also here, console, the sum of dollar bracket curly bracket close A, the same thing with dollar curly bracket enclosed B, and dollar curly bracket C is dollar curly bracket sum, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Okay, so let us go with our Visual Studio Code where we will run our program. We go to the terminal window here, select new terminal. Okay, so we will issue a command tsc TypeScript compiler space addition.ts for TypeScript. Press the enter key from our keyboard, and then let us wait for the result to compile. It takes some time during the compilation process, so we have to wait. Sorry, add the ts. Okay, tsc add the ts, the file name is add the ts. Okay, it is already converted to add.ts. So to run, node space add.ts. Okay, so we have here the output, addition of three numbers in TypeScript. The sum of 28, 5, and 10 is 35, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of three numbers in TypeScript programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, I have a Patreon account and PayPal. My subscribers here in the Philippines or supporters, you may also send your donation at my GCash account that can be seen in the video description. Thank you so much for your help in advance. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.